So ito, gawa tayo ng lunch for today. So it's this shrimp with chili. Ayan. Sweet chili. Ayan, no. Sweet chili sauce ng UFC. So ginawa ko buttered, tapos bawang sibuyas, and then yan, lagay na natin yung chili sauce. Yan, busin na natin ito, yung chili sauce na to for our lunch. And then of course mix natin. And then sige, kuluan natin ng about 3 minutes. So yun na nga, see, ready to serve. Shrimp with sweet chili sauce for our lunch. Alright, happy tummy. Yeah, happy lunch for the fam.